Hello, my fellow classmates. My name is Kenneth Lamb. I am a graphic designer and I am also a programmer. I got into graphic design when I went to ACC in about 2010 and got my degree there for Associate Sciences in Graphic and Photography. I've done quite a few freelance jobs since then, as well as learning how to program at the same time. I believe that I got more into the programming side sometime later in like 2015, as I've been seeing that I can manipulate computers to do more things that I want them to do. And I've always really been interested in computer hardware since like high school. Especially, I always loved taking apart things, putting them back together, and that is one of the sole reasons why my parents do not buy me any electronics anymore. But nowadays, I fix things more than I break them, so that's a plus. I do phone repairs, laptop repairs for friends, family, and the occasional freelance contract. I now work in IT, which is a better job that suits me. I do database management in SQL, and I'm learning newer coding languages through ACC by going back to school, actually, so I can get a new degree because I want to aspire to become a software engineer. I currently know a few languages. I've been working on making a weird word editor / code editor with syntax highlighting in my spare time. I also I do a couple of freelance things. The background that you currently see is something that I made in Illustrator as a background for my computer, actually. But I have also been interested in doing indie games with Unity, with designing my own characters and coding my own thing. I really look forward to seeing you all this semester, well, digitally at least, and then I hope everybody has a great semester and we all do well. Thank you.